Hi, my name's Jessica and I have no idea what I'm doing. Today I'm going to lose probably more than half of the few viewers that I have. For those of you who don't know, I'm into anime, or at least some of them, and today I'm going to an event where I'm going to cosplay, and I'm going to cosplay as this guy right here, Lee from Naruto. So today's makeup is going to be a very basic Rock Lee cosplay transformation. Maybe I'll pick up some viewers from a different audience. So the weather is not so good and my event is outside. I don't know, the weather could change very quickly, so I'm going to make sure that I protect myself anyway. This is the e.l.f. Beauty Shield SPF 50 Skin Shielding Moisturizer. Thank you to e.l.f. for sending me a new one, because if you guys saw my other video, that one was leaking and not good. And even when I tried to use it later on, because I needed it for the protection, the pump was like being all weird, so I don't know what happened to that one. My other products came just fine. Also, another tip I have for cosplaying, or doing cosplay makeup, is be like extra nice to your face before and after cosplaying, especially if you have, like, say a 3-day event to like Comic-Con or something, like a 3-day ticket, and you're not used to wearing whatever kind of makeup that you're wearing, or different parts of your face aren't. So I say that specifically because you'll see what I have to do to my eyebrows, so they're gonna need some a little tender love and care after this. So the next thing I'm going to do is apply foundation. I'm using the L'Oreal True Match in Natural Ivory C2. And I'm going to use my Creme Shop sponges to blend it out. So most anime cartoon characters have, you know, the typical cartoon skin where it's just whatever skin tone they have, and that's kind of it. No blush, no bronzer, no highlighter, unless you have like a really blocky style where you would want to create like extra contrast. But not in this case. He just has a smooth canvas, so that's what we're going to do. And later I'm going to put some setting spray on top to really meld everything together, make it look like a cartoon, and make sure it stays put for the long day ahead of me. The funny part is that so far, everything I've done, nothing has been different than what I usually do to start off my makeup for the day. So I'm just going over everything with my Maybelline powder. This is the Fit Me one in 100 translucent. Alright, now is when things start to get a little different. So I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Color Icon Kohl eyeliner in You're Always White. I feel personally attacked. Anyway, so basically it's just any white pencil liner that you have. I'm just going to warm it up on my hand a little bit. And so especially with Lee, he has these big round eyes. So to start giving that illusion, I'm going to line my waterline with white. I'm going to try and not get it on my eyelashes, because I don't want to emphasize my own eyelashes. You'll see. I'm also going very lightly, just because when I tried out this makeup last night, I seemed to have a little reaction to it. So I'm just going very lightly. But you can put as much as you want. This step probably goes for most anime or cartoon characters anyway. Now is when things start getting a little more interesting. So I'm going to use the Essence eyeliner pen. It says extra long lasting on it. I hope that's right. No, I think it is right, because when I tried it on last night, it did not come off with just rubbing or water like my eyeliner usually does. So if you look up a picture of Lee, he has 3 bottom eyelashes on each eye, and that's why I didn't want to emphasize my own eyelashes, because I just want to give the illusion that I have those 3. So that's what I'm doing now, and I apologize that I can't talk while I'm doing it, so I'll just have to show you, because if I talk, I'm definitely gonna just have it all over me. There we go. So I tried to make them not too thick, not too thin. Yeah, so I said I wasn't going to make them too thick, but I accidentally made them too thick on this side, so now I had to do it to this side. You gotta make it even. Right now, I feel like with the slicked back hair, the eyelashes, and the turtleneck, I look like I'm channeling like a 60s mod, like Twiggy kind of hype. Twiggy, I'm so sorry. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the white liner just gently and start marking where I want my new eye to go. So like I mentioned, Lee has those big round eyes. So I'm going to kind of create a new eye. But before I go in with the black eyeliner, I kind of want to know where I'm going to put it. And now I'm going to very carefully, I'm going to lean on this so my hand is steady. Kid you not, I'm barely breathing while I do this. And then I'm going to go under as well, but very carefully and thin. It's a little too pointed over there, but that's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect. So now if you look fast, it looks like I have these big round eyes. Now, this part gets really fun. So I'm looking at the picture of his eyebrows off my mom's phone, and they kind of go this way. So that's what we're going to try to do. So I'm going to take that eyeliner pen and start here. Yeah, I think that's right. There we go. Yes, I'm leaning on my nose for balance. Go up a little higher. They do actually come down a tiny bit. Like that. And then I'm just going to fill it in. Last night when I tried this out, I panicked because the eyeliner came off my skin, but not my eyebrows. So they were kind of stained black for a few minutes. It wasn't that long, and then I finally got it off. But I did panic for a little bit. And when I say fill in your eyebrows, I'm not talking about like the makeup guru, you know, like little hairline strokes and all that. No, we're filling them in. Big, blocky, bushy eyebrows for Lee. Okay, so now that I have both of these giant blocks on, did you ever think you would see me like this? Probably not. I'm going to take a little bit of foundation and just, I'm gonna clean up my brows, as the makeup gurus say. Yeah, so I'm just gonna try and make whatever little bit of my real eyebrows that's left disappear if I can. But I have to say, I think this looks pretty good as it is. I'm gonna go in with my sponge. So I'm gonna go over with some powder anyway now. Okay, so the final makeup step that we have here, I'm gonna just put a little bit of lip balm on my lips just to moisturize them a little bit. This is the Avon Care Deeply 2019 balm with the little calendar on it. I get those every year. I think they're cute and I can actually use them. What I'm going to do is try to reduce the pigmentation in my lips because cartoon characters have like, well, usually, it depends on the character, but usually they have just like a little line for a lip. So I'm going to try and reduce the pinkness of my lips here. I'm going in with the Ofra liquid lipstick, the one that NikkieTutorials made, Nude Potion. Anything like light that you have or close to your skin tone works. You could also use foundation or concealer. I'm not doing that simply because, like I said, I have stomach problems, and that would, if swallowed, definitely cause a problem for me. The final step is, of course, the wig. You want to see the wig, right? I know you do. You don't? You're gonna see it anyway. Oh, there went my last viewer. So what you do, or this is how I do it. So this is a wig cap. There's a lot of different kinds. This is the one that I use because it comes with the different wigs that I've bought. So I'm going to very carefully put this over my head. Don't want to mess up any of the makeup. And now this, see this part here is supposed to be at your hairline, but I'm going to go the other way. I'm going to be very careful how I do this. Like this. Things are getting scarier. If there's anyone still watching, things are getting even scarier. But I do it this way because my head's very sensitive and I get headaches easily. And leaving the other side here, it doesn't keep your hair in place as well, but I know I'm much less likely to get a headache. So now the rest of my hair is up in here. Oh, I forgot to spray. Well, hang on. I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Rose 3-in-1 Primer Water in Rose Addiction. I don't like this. I think it's a good setting spray. I just don't like the scent, and that's my fault because why did I buy a rose one when I don't really like rose? So shake it well before you use it, and then I hate it. So any little leftover splotches that may come about, just pat them in. Back to the wig. Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of, see these little guys? I don't use these, but what they do is they connect in the back so that your wig fits more securely. But like I said, for me that makes everything tighter on my head, and I don't need that. I'm just gonna fix the bangs a little bit. So he has a very, he has a bowl cut. So I got this off of Amazon, and I think this is perfect. I look a little more like a beetle maybe, but that's okay. All right, all done. Now I'm ready to go. I wonder how many of you I scared off. But I also wonder how many new viewers just came here. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this. Definitely something different. I hope it was helpful to anyone who is searching like a Rock Lee tutorial or something like that. I hope you have a good day no matter what it is that you're doing. Bye! And because I'm late,